3 English idioms. Can you guess what they mean? First, read between the lines. What does it mean? Read between the lines means to find the hidden meaning. For example, read between the lines. Second, rock the boat. What does it mean? Rock the boat means to cause trouble or upset the balance. For example, don't rock the boat. Third, save for a rainy day. What does it mean? Save for a rainy day means to keep money for a future need. For example, save some for a rainy day. Follow for more English idioms every single day.